That does look cool. Who want to go get in there?
No, thank you. I'll pass.
Are you going to get in there?
No. Hey, Finley. You want to come up? What, baby?
Let's go look over there.
Baby, careful.
Sky, don't be doing no crazy daddy stuff.
Huh?
I said, don't be doing no crazy daddy stuff. Be careful.
You know what
Come
I'm
back.
doing?
Yeah.
Let me get it.
Nah. No, sir. You already had your one slip up for the day. Jit.
I'm the queen of the world.
I don't know what she got going on right here, but I'm watching.
Hello, babe.
What you got going on? Oh, you doing a video.
No, I was doing a picture.
It look a lot different out here in the fall.
Yeah. Yes.
That's hard. It look like the other one though.
I know, but I like how it looked.
That's dope. All right, so tell us where to go. We got two options. What we gonna do, Ra?
I'm a tour guide, and my name is Flower.
Oh, my bad, Flower.
And this is the assistant tour guide, Flair.
So we just going this way? We not going the other way?
We're going this way.
All right.
I'll tour you this way another time.
So what is up this way?
Tour guide.
Up this way is a very enchanted place.
Okay.
Without saying anything.
Mhm.
Let's see if they decide to try to run up that little thing, that little hill right up
Oh
here.
yeah. Yeah. Simon, I think he might do it.
Yeah, me too.
Just off of instinct.
Yeah, me too. Let's see.
Don't pick up that flower. Has spider eggs on it.
Oh my gosh. It don't look so.
It looks different, doesn't it?
Yeah, because it's not any leaves. I mean, because the leaves on there,
Oh yeah.
they used to just be bare.
Yeah, and like a little bit thicker, like more of like a
Yeah?
ramp. Like it looked more like a ramp.
Yeah, I don't think they gonna say nothing about it.
It was on the back side of it.
Yeah, those were the spider eggs.
Come on, y'all.
That yellow thing, that white thing.
Yeah.
That's a spider egg.
Yeah, looked like it to me.
Hey, Skyland.
Yeah.
One time, me and your mother came out here. You see this area right here?
Yeah. Y'all
We-
climbed right there.
Yeah, you ain't see that in the vlog?
No.
Yeah. No, we ran up there. We tried to see who can get up there the furthest, but it looked different this time.
Do you want to climb up there?
Huh?
Do you want to climb up there?
I already climbed up there.
Tour guide, you be careful for the roots. Flower.
Oh, the bridge look different now. I mean, not the bridge, but down there, like with the yellow.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, crazy.
So this
Yes.
river is a river with crocodiles used to live. And they're all wet. Because it was too small for them. And over time the water just chilled. So it wasn't enough. Can we go now?
I did that.
You walked across
I
it?
did that. Yeah, it's on my
That'll be
TikTok. You
I
seen
need
it?
it. It would be so good for
Baby,
TikTok
no.
if somebody was like walking across
Baby,
there
I can't.
and they fell and then they like their head went straight in the water.
Yeah, let's not let that happen.
No, it's not like that.
And I don't even want to see that happen to nobody. Nah, you can't do it today.
No flour.
No flour.
Poor guys are not allowed to do stuff like that. Violet, be careful. Flour. Hold your grapes out.
Hey, bruh.
And yeah, turn more towards me though. Your body.
Slow down. Look, everybody hadn't arrived at the same place in life. You know what I'm saying? We all on our journey. You know what I'm saying? Striving up. But at some point in life, you realize that a lot of the stuff that people think matter don't really matter. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all want to work hard to have things and to live a good life and a good lifestyle. But, you know, at the end of the day, you're going to get tired of it. Don't matter what type of car you get, what type of house you get, what type of jewelry, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, you're going to get used to it. You know what I'm saying? And you always going to be striving for more and more, as you should, but you're searching for a feeling. You know what I'm saying? The feeling is that can't be replaced. It's just like genuine, true love and happiness. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's why I spend a lot of time with my family out here, you know, in the woods, just kicking it in nature, because at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, God and family, that's the only thing that really matter. You know what I'm saying? Friends gonna be as loyal as they want to be. Friends switch up, you know what I'm saying? Associates switch up. Associates can be loyal. Friends can be loyal. Everybody could be loyal, but I'm saying at the end of the day, that ain't really how it be. You know what I'm saying? People switch up. People become disloyal, but at the end of the day, your family, if your family is there with you every step of the way, your family is the only thing that matters. You know what I'm saying? So don't get caught up in comparing yourself to people going to clubs and buying all this stuff, trying to impress another man or trying to impress another woman. Because at the end of the day, half of them people probably don't even care. Some of them might, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, man, you can still have all this and all that and not be happy. You know what I'm saying? You can have $1 billion in the bank and still be comparing yourself to, you can have $1 billion in the bank, right? And still be comparing yourself to the Tesla dude. I can't even think of the Tesla dude name. Hey, what's the Tesla owner name? What's his name? What's the dude who owned Tesla?
On what?
What's the dude name who owned Tesla?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow. So we both, look it up real quick. Look it up real quick. Oh, no, I remember. All right, Elon Musk. I couldn't remember Elon Musk. Yeah, you can have $1 billion in the bank. You know what I'm saying? Buy everybody in your family a home. And then 2 weeks later, get comfortable living that lifestyle and start comparing yourself to Elon Musk and being mad that you don't have 1,000 billion. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, that's stupid. Like, that's stupid. You know what I'm saying? Like, so at the end of the day, it don't matter how much money you got. You know what I'm saying? Everybody want to get money. Go get money. Please go get money. You know what I'm saying? So you can better other people's lives and your life. But at the end of the day, man, just search for love. You know what I'm saying? And truthfully, God the only one give you that type of love and, you know what I'm saying, unconditional peace. You know what I'm saying? In the midst of your adversity, you still be peaceful. God is the only way. You know what I'm saying? You smoke weed, get high for a little bit, pop a perk, do some other type of drug that I don't know about, and get some cool little chill out moment for a second, but that ain't gonna sustain you. It ain't.
What you see, buddy? Nothing. I hear rapids. Almost done. Yeah. Yeah, just let me get up here.
Oh, shoot. Nah.
It looks just like that other place,
Yeah, it does.
but it's steeper.
Be careful because the leaves on this rock can be slippery.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is cool right
This
here.
is so cool.
That is so cool how the water like flows from low to high.
Hey. Oh, I thought you was about to try to push me. I really did.
Like you were about to grab me and pretend like you were gonna push me. So you didn't.
No, 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 babe. Don't do that. Hey, bikini man, don't do that. Nah,
Get a countdown.
no. Oh, thank God. You have more sense for once.
Saying how much sense for once.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Y'all be careful. Please don't slip, Ra. Oh, shit. Whoa, Ra, slow down, baby. Mariah is very, let's say, accident prone. So is Melissa. Skylar, not so much. Me, pretty much never. So, you know what I'm saying? I'd be kind of worried about them. Please be careful. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous, y'all. Hey, Ra, slow down, baby. Oh, I guess it probably wasn't as bad as I thought. Here we go. Blonde's going wild.
Go, Mama.
I made it. Almost. My last and final jump. Can I do it?
Yeah, that ain't the right way to go, but all right, you got it.
Babe, can you take a picture of me up here, please?
Of course.
Thank you, babe. Kylan, can you hand me my jacket, please?
So for all the directors out there, man, this is what you sign up for
Thank you, baby.
when you get married. You just a full-time videographer, full-time photographer. It just is what it is. You know what I'm saying?
On the very last post, I'm the one that took that picture as well.
I wasn't saying it was a bad thing.
It's
I
not.
wasn't saying it was a bad thing. See what I'm
No, I
doing.
need you to keep recording.
See what I'm doing, folks.
Please.
You know what I'm saying? All right, you ready?